Wix Email Marketing 2024, How to Use Wix for Email Marketing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Wix for our email marketing in the easiest way possible. So to start setting up Wix for our email, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to our Wix.com, very basic website. Now over here, you're going to set up your dashboard. Okay, now you're going to want to make sure that you actually have websites to actually do email marketing on, because if you don't have the actual sites, you can't really do the actual email marketing, and that would make no sense. So in this case, what we're going to be doing is we're simply going to go ahead to our dashboard over here. Once you're in your dashboard, you're going to go to site actions, you're going to click on create new site, and then you're going to create a site of your choice to make your page look good, to make your page look nice, to make it look acceptable. Now, once we have gotten the idea of that and we've created a good looking website, from there, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to go over to email marketing, okay? Because that is where we are going to start creating an email. We're going to start our email marketing by, first of all, creating an email. After creating an email, we're going to go ahead and set up the email. After the email, we're going to create our template that we're going to send out to people to actually market the brand, the product, or some type of news that we want to spread out to people. Okay, you have to think this through before actually getting into this, because you need to have a clear idea how this works. So once you have a clear and just idea of how this works, what we're going to do is we're going to move over to marketing and SEO, and here it says email marketing. You're going to go straight over to this. Now, once you come to this, you're going to wait for it to load up, and once this loads up, as you can see, it's going to look somewhat like this. Looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool. So we can get the campaign overview and all. Now, this is basically an email that I have already created, but I'm going to go back to the basic look of the email marketing, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new email. Okay, so this is a campaign that I've done in the past, but I'm going to skip this one and I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to draft a new one for myself. Okay, so to draft a new one for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you have AI generated marketing, holiday sales, happy holidays, gifting games, more templates to use over here, and a lot more. Now, once you get a common idea of how this works, what we're going to do from there is you can either use a template or go with a blank site or a blank template. Now, we're going to go ahead with, let's say, happy holidays, and I'm going to click on use templates. And once you click on use template, it brings us here. So this is what the use template section looks like. Looks pretty nice, looks pretty cool. Let's say we have happy holidays over here. Now you can change every component and every element of this design for yourself, okay? Make everything from the images to the stylings, the layouts, the text, whatever you want, you can change it over here, okay? Now, let's say we want to go ahead and change the text styles. So to change the text styles, we're going to go over here to Happy Holidays. And once you go over here, let's say I want to name this. I'm just going to call it Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm just going to write that. And there you go. And then you can actually go ahead and delete components as well if you want to. So let's say I want to delete this. I'm going to delete that. Look at that. So delete components for yourself and, add new text for yourself. Down here, you can also see the description that you can add, you can remove, etc. It's pretty simple to get your head wrapped around all of that. And moving on, there's, the sign up buttons that you can get onto. You have your visit site button. So if you click on that, you have all these URLs where it says enter URL, you have documents, standalone forms, etc. So let's say we have URL over here for enter URL. You can enter any URL you want the people to visit. So, this is a basic, marketing page or a landing page. Now from here, let's say I want to take these people to my actual Wix page where I am, selling products for Christmas, basically. Or it could be some type of document that I could upload, or it could be a standalone form that I could take them to. So that's also a pretty cool aspect to add to your page. So if you go and create form right now, I'm just going to wait for things to load up. Now, once this loads up, you can add a contact, feedback, client info, application form. One of these forms. You can add these for yourself, and it gives you a pretty good general idea. Okay, so let's say let's go to client info, okay, to get the info from your actual client. So I'm going to add that over here, and now it actually lets you go ahead and create a proper contact form for yourself, which is pretty incredible. So you have client info, form description, first name, last name. You can add fields for yourself, whatever you want, and you can see them over here in a summary. So I'm going to click on save because I like the summary that it gives me. And yeah, there we go. So now you can add the field in any way possible, in any way you want. And yeah, that's our form saved. So now we can come back over to our email marketing so we can add the actual email form in this. So I'm just going to wait for this to load up. Once it loads up, again, go on visit site, standalone form, and I have the client info form. I take that, I'm going to click on apply, and then add any more aspects to the design if you want to. Like, let's say you can add dividers in a design, to divide different aspects. Let's say I'm going to add a divider over here as well to keep this text in the middle. Then you have videos, links, subscribe, logo, HTML button, all these aspects that you can easily work with and easily mess around with. So pretty fun, pretty great stuff. Now, once you've done this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on next. And once you click on next, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to add your recipients. Once you add your recipients, you have your labels, you have your segments, and then you have your contacts. And then once you have your contacts from here, what you're going to do is you're finally going to click on next. Once you click on next, you get your campaign overview. So it says add the final details before sending this email now or scheduling it to go out later. Now, what you're going to do over here is you can either schedule this email or you can send it absolutely right now to your actual recipients. Now, you can also send a test email to yourself to see how that works. You can send a test email to, configure how your actual audiences will view it, how it will seem to them, if it's professional enough, will it look good enough for them, etc. So, you can judge all of that by just looking at these simply from here. So, yeah, that's the basic concept and idea of how you're supposed to start your email marketing on Wix. So, if you enjoyed watching that and you enjoyed watching this video all the way till the end, then please do make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. And please do make sure to share this video around with other viewers and users and other, friends and family that you have who are in need of a tutorial like this because that will help them out and it will help me out a lot. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video all the way till the end, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see all of you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.